Hello, I'm Hidashi Mallang and today I'm representing Group 3. So today I'm going to talk about from where did we take our data for the project. So basically it's a cloth store named as Apsara Zone and it caters to the need of all the age groups. The age groups from kids to the older ones. It also has clothes for different seasonal demands such as we provide raincoats for the rainy season, woolen cloths for the winters. So that is how it is. Along with the huge range of product and huge variety of product, they also have a number of brands in all the sections. So basically, because of which they require a huge staff. So this particular shop, it doesn't look like a shop basically. It's a showroom which caters to the need of all the people and all the age groups, and it has around 60 to 70 employees.
Hello everyone, this is Dikshit Pulavani. So basically we have chosen a shop where the main problem is with the salesperson. So what is the problem is like the shop contains a huge number of employees, so that it's very difficult for the owner to analyze the individual performance of each employee. So for that we have made an Excel sheet, so where we can analyze individual performance by using the tools in the Excel, and so that we can know that how the employee is working weekly, so that we can give him some rewards and some other kind of stuff which motivates him to work efficiently. Thank you.
Hello Artika, I have a doubt. How do we get to know which employee is performing most efficiently? And how are we going to record the further performances?
Step 1. Open the database, that is transaction table. Step 2. Record the data in order to get their performance.
What do you mean by data?
Data is nothing but employee's name, sales generated by them.
That's all they need to record?
Yes. Step 3. Enter the data. So, we have used macro function to make the process smooth for our client.
I think by performing these steps, we can achieve the desired outcome, right?
Hello everyone, this is Group 3 and today we are presenting the dashboard which we have created as our solution for the problem of finding out the efficiency of sales individuals so that they can be rewarded by the shop owners of Apsara Zone. Let's see further. As you can see on our front page, this is a picture of the shop owners with their sales team. The buttons side by side of the picture will help us to find out the different aspects through which we are providing us the solution of the problem. As for example, this is the front page. When we click on the database, you will get to find out the database of the products with their serial numbers, the dates on which they were sold, and the employees and their IDs, and which we can use to relate to each other. Further, returning back on the front page, we can see a button which is stated as transaction table. When we click on the transaction table, we are further guided towards a page where we can see a list of products, the date of this on which they were sold, the brands, the employee ID, as well as the group in which they are, and the employee name, so that we can find out as to what amount of sales a single salesperson is generating to understand their efficiency. Let us return on the front page and know further. When we click on the consolidated view, we are guided towards a page which is showing various lists and a pie chart. In this list, we can see there's the employee name, the amount of sale that a particular employee has done, as well as the groups. That means the different product groups such as the gents wear, the kids wear, the ladies wear, and the sari. And the employee name. There are different sales employee names through which we can understand which employee has sold which group of clothes, as well as the brands which they have sold. For example, let's select a random salesperson. For example, Krishna. When we look at Krishna's sale, Krishna has sold only gents wear and he has sold 4,457 products in gents wear of brands Apsara Zone, Vanusan, and Zaina. When we try to find out how much of sale Ram Kishore has been able to do, we find out that Ram Kishore was active in different groups of products such as gents wear, kids wear, and ladies wear. In gents wear, He has done a sale of 3,503 products of brands Vanusan, Yankee, and Zenab. While we think of finding out the ladies' wear, we can see that Ramkishore has done a sale of 3,885 products of brands Apsara Zone, Vanusan, and Venuzen. When we think of finding out the kids' wear section, we can see that Ramkishore has sold 670 products of kids' wear of brand Apsara Zone. Let's see how much Tushar has sold. When we look at Tushar's figures, we can find out that was active in selling kids wear and ladies wear goods. In kids wear, Tushar has sold the total sale of 600 of brand Apsara Zone. While in the ladies wear section, we can see that Tushar has done a total sale of 230 products only of only a single brand Vanusen. Let's see another example of Paras. While we look at Paras, we can see that Paras has sold various groups: kids wear, ladies wear, and sari. Among the kids wear section, Paras has done a sale of 1810 of brand Apsara Zone. When we look at the ladies wear section, Paras has done a sale of 1915 products of different brands such as Apsara Zone, Vanusen, and Venusen. While we look at the sari section, Paras has done the sale of 1540 products of a single brand Apsara Zone. This is how all the salespersons and their efficiency with the brands which they have sold and the group of which products they have sold is find out and is depicted is on this pie chart to make the owners understand which salesperson is more efficiently and dedicatedly working towards their sale, thus providing a profit for the company and helps the employer to provide them further bonuses and good salary.